leaving the clutch, we're gonna roll. The handbrake is engaged, right? Let me just show you. I'm gonna show you guys at the rear wheel also. So yeah, let's go to the rear.
Brother, what's that?
So to do the adjustment, these are your handbrake cables. So these two, this one runs from the left side of the rear, the drum, here to here, and this one to the right side. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to loosen this one. This is just the locking nut. You're going to, these are 13s, no,
And them, nah, they 10.
yeah, they 10s. So both of these are 10. So you're gonna take a, you're gonna use a spanner as well as a, this is just like a socket and a little extender. But like this socket is somewhat dark. You're gonna need a deeper socket because if you're gonna fit it, you see, when it gets to a certain point, it's not gonna catch. But yeah, so that's basically what you're going to need. So first, you're gonna remove the locking nut. I'm just gonna set that there. Okay, just a side note now. It's worth checking your brake shoes. Your handbrake doesn't engage because your brake shoes are flat, right? So now, what you want, like normally they say like things should be 3 clicks or whatever, right? Depending on the condition of your brake shoes. If they're brand new, you're going to give the cable slack, which means this nut, the adjuster nut, you'll have to turn it out. If your brake shoes are a little bit on the kant, what you're going to do is you're going to turn this thing in. So you're going to remove some of the slack on the handbrake cable. So yeah, let me just, I hope my phone doesn't fall there. So let me just, so I'm basically, you see, oh man, now this cable is turning, you see. So I'm just gonna turn it in until, and then you can, this is basically a two-man job, but you can do it alone. So you're going to adjust it, and then you're gonna go out and just try to spin the wheel. So like you saw there previously, I jacked the car up on the left side. So I'm going to adjust it little by little, and then just go, this is where it should be, and then yeah, just go outside and try to like spin the wheel. So I think that's about it right there. I think that should do it. So just check it. I think that should do it, but let's go to the rear and like see if we can still turn the wheel. There we go. Great. So like you saw, I'm happy with that. The wheel isn't turning anymore. So that's about 0.9. So that's about 0.9 centimeters. So then you obviously just wanna do the same for this side also, so get it the same length basically. So I'm gonna do that off camera. Okay, cool. So the adjustment is done. I've tried to make this side equal to that side, which is around about 0.8, 0.9 centimeters. So yeah, now it's gripping. We have a handbrake. Anyway, let me just show you guys. Look at this, all right? So look at this. And I'm gonna say, give me a gear. So I got first gear. Now look at it. I'm gonna foot off the brake, on the brake, off the brake, right? Look at this. When I leave the clutch, you see how it does? It's not like springing back. You can feel you have like a handbrake. You feel me? Now it's basically like launch control. See? Yes, sir.